All right, so let's talk about the Logitech MX Master 4 because yeah, the leaks are flying around, but Logitech's still keeping the actual release date under wraps. Some people are saying September, but nothing's locked in yet. So instead of guessing when it's dropping, let's just get into the good stuff, what it looks like and what it might be packing under the hood. Design-wise, it's not doing a dramatic makeover, and honestly, that's a good thing. The MX Master series has always been about that super comfy, sculpted grip for right-handers, and it looks like that signature shape is sticking around. That magnetic scroll wheel, still here. It's smooth, fast, and super satisfying to flick through long docs or spreadsheets with. But here's where it gets interesting. They're throwing in a new side button. Yep, a third thumb button, placed just ahead of the classic back and forward buttons. That bumps up the total number of programmable buttons to 8. So if you love customizing your shortcuts, this is gonna be your playground. There are also a bunch of little tweaks that make a big difference, like the gesture button on the thumb shelf. It now has a dotted ring around it, so it's easier to feel and spot without staring at your mouse. And the thumb rest itself might have a deeper cutout to give your thumb more room to hit those side buttons comfortably. Another small but smart change, the battery indicator LED has moved right under the main scroll wheel. It's now below the mag speed mode switch button, which makes it way easier to keep an eye on your battery without flipping the mouse over or guessing how much juice is left. Now, here's the part that has people a little curious, the materials. The previous models had those rubberized parts that felt nice but wore out over time. The leaks hint that Logitech might be ditching some of that rubber for something more durable, but we don't know for sure yet. Fingers crossed it holds up better this time. And then there's the one thing a ton of people are hoping for, a polling rate upgrade. The current MX Master mice cap out at 125 Hz, which is fine for productivity, but not great if you want that buttery smooth responsiveness, especially for creative work or light gaming. A jump to 1000 Hz would be huge. Is Logitech gonna do it? No clue, but everyone's watching and waiting. As for pricing, no confirmed numbers yet. But based on where the MX Master 3S landed, you can probably expect the MX Master 4 to hover around $150 or 135 euros. Not cheap, but if it delivers the upgrades we're hoping for, it could be totally worth it. So yeah, the MX Master 4 isn't official yet, but it's definitely shaping up to be a solid upgrade. New buttons, smarter design, maybe better materials, hopefully better performance. It could be totally worth it. Let's just say expectations are high. That's it for this video. Peace.